What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
What's up, you guys? Let me turn this air down. What's up? We're doing a car vlog. How about that? What's up, you guys? It's early on Saturday morning, and I've been up since, well, I haven't been up that early. I've been up since about 8 o'clock, and I made my way over to an estate sale this morning. My mother-in-law put me on to this estate sale company down here in Georgia, and so we came yesterday. They had 2-day sale, Friday and Saturday, and now it's Saturday morning. We came out yesterday morning early, and we found some finds, some really, really good finds. Of course, I was out here looking for gardening stuff, and I did make some major scores, so I'm super excited, and I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, since I'm on this gardening adventure, just kind of sharing all my little tips and tricks and, you know, just little tips of advice and stuff like that that I'm coming across on my journey, and I just figured I'd share with y'all. So anyway, I went to this estate sale yesterday, and I found like these 2 humongous planters. I have had my eye on these planters for quite a while, you know, since I've been starting this whole gardening thing and finding out what plants are going to grow to what size and stuff like that, and how many plants you can pot, you know, per pot. And so I need bigger pots because I have so many plants now. But yeah, so I was on the hunt for some pots, of course, all sizes, and just whatever else I could find. And like I said, I found those 2 big planters yesterday. They had like these cages, like these trellis cages. I got one of those. I'm not really sure how big they are, so I only got one of those. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got a pitchfork because I was in the market for a pitchfork, but I didn't want to pay like $20-something for it. So yeah, so I found all of those things yesterday, and so I figured I would go back today, because when you go back on the second day, everything's half off. And so yeah, that's a no-brainer, right? And so there were some still a lot of pots out there from yesterday, and these people had some really nice pots, y'all. But yeah, I wasn't gonna be paying, I didn't want to pay the price that they had up there yesterday for a few of those pots. But what I did, the planters that I did get yesterday, they were $12 each, and I got another one today, the same, I think it's pretty much the same size, but today I got it for $6. But if I would have waited, I wouldn't have got those ones that I got yesterday. So yeah, but anyway, I went today and I got, gosh, how many pots did I get? I got the 1 big planter again, and I found a set of 2 which were a little bit smaller, and then I found another blue pot, so that's what, 4, and then like some little random plastic things that I can probably use for pots as well. So yeah, I found quite a few pots and some stuff for the house, and I also found a stool. I had my eye on the stool that they had over there yesterday, and they wanted $12 for this little stool, and I'm not paying $12 for that. So they were still there today, so I got it for $6, and it's perfect for the garden. Perfect, because I need a chair out there. So yeah, I'm just super excited, y'all. Just wanted to let y'all know to go to estate sales, not necessarily garage sales, because sometimes garage sales have a lot of junk. You know, people are trying to get rid of their stuff. An estate sale is like someone has passed away, or maybe they just had, I don't know, a foreclosure or something. I don't know. Something happens and the whole house is up for grabs, basically, when you go to an estate sale. And so everything is just pretty much, you just kind of walking through the house, as opposed to like a yard sale. You're just in someone's, like, pretty much in their yard, or they're in their garage if they, you know, move it into their garage. But in an estate sale, you get to walk through the whole house because everything is for sale. So yeah, I think estate sales are definitely the way to go. So I'm headed back home now. It's about 10 o'clock now. I made my way over there by 9:30 because, like I said, I had been over there yesterday and I pretty much knew what they had. So I wasn't in that much of a rush to get over there, but I wish I had gotten there just a few minutes earlier because someone got some stuff just as I was walking up the driveway. They were like claiming that stuff and I was like, oh man. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got once I get to the house, and tell y'all what the guy had bought, because he kind of bought something similar to what I had. So yeah, I'll show y'all that when I get home, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna get my day started after all of this, but I wanted to get that out of the way, of course, because there's nothing there anymore, hardly. You gotta get to these things early, or else you're out of luck. So alright, I'll see y'all in the house. Guys, so I'm back home and I offloaded everything out of the car. I had to get the wagon, the gorilla cart, to get everything off because everybody's still sleeping in the house. Like, it's early for us on a Saturday. But anyway, let me show y'all what I got. Some really good finds. So this is everything I got today. I'm gonna show y'all like prices and stuff like that and just get a little bit closer. So this little pot here was going for $14, and I got everything was half off today, like I said. So 14, they've got those listed for 16 each. They have these listed for with the trays underneath. This little bucket thing here, it's a bigger version of what I have in the garden, and that thing was $3, half off. This is one of the big planters I was talking about. They had 2 of them there. But as I was arriving, this gentleman came and he took the other one, and then there were also 2 bags of potting soil. I couldn't believe it, and I don't believe I didn't see that. I didn't see that yesterday because I would have gotten it yesterday. But anyway, this was $6 today, so that was an excellent deal. These couple of planters here were just free. They were just sitting on the side, and those were free, and I can always use those for like starter plants. That thing there, I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but it's another wide container. Maybe we can do like an herb garden or something in there. These things are the trays, the drip trays for like to catch the water under bigger planters. And those things are really expensive. And so they were there, and I just figured I'd pick them up. And actually, I only paid for 3 of these, but I'm looking now and I'm seeing that there's another one under here. So I think I got one of those for free. I'll have to check my receipt. And then this is that stool I was talking about. This stool is the perfect size for me to be in the garden. Not too tall, not too high. And it was half off, so it was $6 today. So that was an excellent score. Let me show y'all what I picked up yesterday. I only got a couple things, like I said, but I'll show you anyway. Alright, so here's what I got, and y'all, I still have not finished this area. We kind of just stopped for a little bit. It's getting hot, and yeah, we really haven't been out here. But anyway, these are the 2 big planters that I got yesterday that were $12. And let me get that blue one, because I think this blue one is just a little bit smaller than these. Let's see. Yeah, so yeah. So those brown ones are even bigger than the blue ones. So that was definitely a steal. Those were $12 each yesterday. I paid $12. And then that thing up there, I want to say that was $8 yesterday. And I paid $8. So, and then the pitchfork, I think, is in the garage. I don't have that out here right now. But yeah, you guys, these are all of my finds today. I think I did really good. I got a head start on some nice pots. I definitely wanted the big pots, but I'm kind of looking for something that's more in between now, like the size of maybe that, maybe just a little taller, but the depth is good. So yeah, I'm super excited. I know I can get quite a few plants in these 3 planters here, because that is a lot of room, a lot of space, going to be a lot of soil. So I'm super excited to get something in those. And we have plenty of starter seeds in the greenhouse to go ahead and transplant. So I'm trying to get my pots and stuff ready. I'm sure I'm going to have more containers as well. We still have that gray bin back there that we can still fill up. you know, with soil and stuff like that. So the garden is growing. The garden is growing, y'all. So, all right, so that is my little mini vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was really quick, but like I said, I'm just gonna pop in and give y'all some tips when I figure them out. And this is just one of those videos where I'm just sharing tips. So get to an estate sale, you will definitely not be disappointed. Find an estate sale. All right, y'all, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I hope you guys are enjoying the gardening adventures, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these kind of videos. All right, I will see y'all in the next one. Take care. Almost forgot to mention, I found these. They're over there too, and we need this for our fabric on our chairs, and I couldn't find it in the stores anymore, so I saw this there and I picked it up. Again, half off. Perfect.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.